So in this video, we are going to make V8 engine sound. So first of all, we have to take DW sampler. Now go to kick and choose attack kick 43. Now make the same MIDI pattern that I'm making right now. Now let's see our V8 engine sound.